This is Ali from EUCO, and I am here today to show you the unboxing and setup process of your new InMotion wheel. Alright, and when you open the box, you should find the manual for your V8 and your charger, which should be 84 volts, 1.5 amps. And then a couple of pads for your ankles. And then just remove the foam core and your wheel should be underneath. Well, let's get this wheel out and set it up. Now that we got the wheel out of the box, we need to take the wheel out of transport mode. So download the EUCO app, log on and connect to your wheel. Go over to the settings on the top right corner, scroll down until you see transport mode and just turn it off. Now that we have our wheel out of transport mode, let's go over some of the apps and features that InMotion have to offer. Firstly, you have tracking mode, tells you how long you've written, how fast, and how long you went. And then when you swipe right, you have the current speed you're going, along with how long you've gone this trip, average speed, your max speed, power, duration, battery level, and temperature. And then over in the settings, you have the choices of sound customization, which you can change how your wheel sounds when you turn it on and off. You can change the lighting effect on the side of the wheel. And then down below, you can either lock your wheel, turn on and on the anti-spin button, which is the button on the handle. So when you lift it up, the wheel doesn't spin. You can turn on and off the lighting effect on the side of the wheel. You can adjust the max speed on your wheel, as well as turn on and off the top speed lock that comes with the wheel. Down below, you can adjust the volume for the alarms on the wheel. You have pedal softness, which you can adjust on how quickly or how slow the wheel reacts to you accelerating and decelerating. The transport mode, which we've already been through. And then we have the drive mode, which is commuting and off-roading. Commuting for more daily commutes or casual riding, and then off-roading for steep hills and off-roading and hard acceleration. And then lastly, we have wheel calibration and firmware update. We will go over the calibration in a moment. As you may know, there's a few things you need to do before you go out on your first ride. You have to charge the wheel, put air in the tire, and calibrate your wheel. For charging, it's as easy as plugging one end into the wall and then the other end to the back of the wheel. So in the calibration settings, there's the pedal horizontal adjustment, which based on your riding style, you can have it dip more forward or more backwards. And then to actually calibrate the wheel, you lay the wheel on its side up against something stable. And then with your leveler, make sure it's upright. And then when you think you're good, you hit the calibration button and you're good. And lastly, we just make sure to put air in the tire. So just rotate the wheel until you find the air valve. And if you can't find it after a full rotation, just flip the wheel over and try again. But since it's right here, you just take off the cap. You attach your air pump. I would recommend filling the wheel up to 35 to 40 psi, and then depending on your ride style, you can either raise it or lower it. And then when it's done filling up your tire, just pop it off and put your cap back in. And now that your wheel is ready, just grab your helmet and have some fun. Thank you for watching our video. If you like what you see or have any suggestions, just leave your comment down below, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.